Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. A line passes through the point 2, 5 and is parallel to the line y equals 3x minus 4. Write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Now let us work through the solution step by step. Start by looking at the given line, y equals 3x minus 4. Since it's already in slope-intercept form, we can read the slope directly. The slope is 3. Parallel lines always have the same slope, so the new line we're writing also has a slope of 3. We plug the slope of 3 into the slope-intercept form, giving us y equals 3x plus b. Now we need to find the value of b, the y-intercept. The line passes through the point 2, 5. Substitute x equals 2 and y equals 5 into the equation. We get 5 equals 3 times 2 plus b, which simplifies to 5 equals 6 plus b. Subtract 6 from both sides to get b equals -1. Now substitute b equals -1 back into the equation. The final answer, y equals 3x minus 1. Looking at the graph, the dashed line is the original y equals 3x minus 4, and the solid line is our new line, y equals 3x minus 1. They are parallel, same steepness, different y-intercepts. Notice the solid line passes right through the point 2, 5. Let's verify. Plug x equals 2 into y equals 3x minus 1. 3 times 2 minus 1 equals 5. That matches the given point, so our answer is correct. Both lines share a slope of 3 but have different y-intercepts, confirming they are truly parallel. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.